Hey guys, part 2 of the manual swap. This one will be a quick overview of removing the auto transmission, tail shaft and replacing the remain seal. Because I'm flying Han Solo, Nigel no friends, I'm going to have to just do some safety precautions with just securing things from above so they don't fall on top of me. So this is just something that I use from a skateboard rail, and I'm just going to use it as something to tie on to with some rope. So I had a little bit of a battle here getting access to the bolts of the tail shaft near the diff. So what I had to do is remove these bolts of the center bearing entirely. I'll just put them back in there just to keep it in place for now, but I had to remove them, and that gave me enough angle to play with the angle of the tail shaft to leverage a bit more space to get my socket of my impact to seat on there bit better, and of course keep the handbrake off so you can turn the tail shaft like that, and pretty much was resting it with my foot just to using an extension, my old mate Rodney. Remove the torque converter, a bit of a messy affair. Now I can cut these ropes off the front and I'll load the back down. Inserted the skatey underneath. Alright, for the remain seal, notice there was a slight leak here on this gasket, or this RTV here. So what I decided to do, I've already removed the remain seal, but I'm decided to remove the whole plate and replace it